Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to repost on LinkedIn. So if you come across any post that you like or you want to repost on LinkedIn, that's super easy to do, guys. All you have to do is really find that post. So let me just find something here. Let's use, for example, this one here at the top. So if I want to repost this, just simply go ahead and copy the link to the post at the upper right hand side of the post. You can go ahead and you can click the three dots, and here you want to copy the link. So once you go ahead and copy the link, you can go back to the top of your post and you can just start a new post. Go ahead and post the link there, and you will see that it's going to find the details of that post, and you can go ahead and you can make this post on your profile. You can always go ahead and do that, and you'll have that post on your own account as well. And here you can see that I have it. If you really want to see that the post is actually post, you can click your profile on the upper right hand side, go under the section where it says manage posts and activities, and you can see what you post recently, right? So you can go ahead and you can find those posts of pictures, of articles, or whatever it is that you've posted. You'll be able to see it on your profile. You might need to refresh to see it, but you will be able to see it. And as you can see here, this is what I repost. Here it is currently showing what I've posted. It shows the link of the article that I want that I've posted and so forth. So you can go ahead and you can find multiple articles that you have posted in the past. And that's how you'd go ahead and make a repost of any articles on LinkedIn. Keep in mind that there's going to be a link that is showing above the post that you made, guys. So if you want to go ahead, you will click that link and it's going to go ahead and it's going to take you over to where you'll find the original article from that post. But that's how it is, guys. Very easy and very simple how to repost a post on LinkedIn.